Hi, my name's Isabella and welcome to I Love You More Than Gumbo. All the way from Honduras, Roatan, the Caribbean Sea. And today we're in the Caribbean!
Whee! And we're kayaking, yay! I've been so scared to do this, and now we're doing it.
Is this how you kayak?
Yes. You want to turn the paddle?
Flip the paddle so the letters face you.
Like that?
No, flip it. Like that. There you go. Bella's kayaking.
That hit me.
I'm holding you so you stay facing forward.
Oh my goodness, it's a spider. It's interesting.
Whatever you do, don't turn around.
This is kind of scary.
So how's your day going today?
So far, so good. I've been scared to death to kayak, and now I'm doing it, so...
Well, there's not much for you to be scared with whenever you're looking.
Thank you.
You're in good hands.
My husband's scared I'll flip over, but that doesn't frighten me so much.
It's only water.
It's only water, exactly.
You have me out there with you, and I guarantee you,
And then
nothing gonna happen.
And then we go snorkeling.
And then we go snorkeling, and I love snorkeling.
I've never been snorkeling before.
She's never been snorkeling, so...
Never been snorkeling.
And her mommy's from Honduras. It's her first time in Honduras.
Her mommy's from here.
Yeah, she's from the mainland.
It's from a trumpet tree.
Wow. You want to show me how you walk in the ocean? It's the Caribbean Sea.
Like this. It feels weird. I don't like
It's sand.
it. I found a big leaf.
Wow.
I want to keep it. Big leaf. Guys, if you find a big leaf, first step, you find one of these. First, you do this. Then you wipe it off in the ocean. Then you do this. You pretend to get it. Big leaf, big leaf. Then you're done.
Go show us a piece of the driftwood.
I want to save this for them. So I'm going to open it by our shoe. It's a coconut. Coconut. Oh, ow.
I brought TT and brother a coconut home one time.
I want a coconut.
A little one. I don't know if your mommy still has them.
I want a coconut. Can we bring home a coconut?
We're not allowed to anymore.
Can we sneak it?
I don't know.
And then we find coconut. You
Put it out to dry somewhere. Put it on the driftwood to dry.
When you find something like this, you cherish it and leave it out to dry. This is driftwood. What you do with it is you bounce it out and bounce it out. You play on it. And this is cement.
Yeah, we don't play with cement.
If you jump on steam then. And this is the wonderful ocean.
It's a Caribbean Sea.
God made this ocean.
Yep.
I love it. And that's a cool guy.
That's Albert.
Yeah.
What did he teach you to do today? Say it loud so he can hear you. What were you doing earlier?
I can't remember.
Kayak? How do you kayak? Show me.
So you take this thing, you make sure the words are facing this way, both of them, then you grab the black stuff and then you go like that.
Yep.
And make sure you don't like it gets stuck in there. If you're stuck in there, you pull it up, not like force it like that. And this is how you swim. then this is how little kids. And that's so cute. If you love little kids, subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and hit the notification button. Now we're gonna go swimming because I'm a baby.
You found a coconut?
I think this is.
Where'd the coconut come from?
Why does that look like a mango, kind of?
It does kind of look like a mango, but it's a coconut.
Let's see if anyone lives in here. Nothing. And today we're gonna teach lessons how to scuba dive. And earlier I just went in a kayak. So
We're waiting to go snorkeling, aren't we?
yeah. And the tour guide is named, I forgot his name.
Albert.
Yeah, Albert. And we're gonna let this coconut dry. Oh, we have another coconut. It's old, so we're gonna put this one right here. This one's a little too big, so we're gonna put it like right here. The Caribbean is the best place to be. Even if you have a cool thing like this, so you could do kind of like a pilot thing. That's cool. And you can jump off from high places. See? Easy. There's such great sand. It's such cool water. It's so cool to go swimming in too. And in August, the tour guide said there's turtles. So
And what do the turtles do in August?
lay eggs.
Lay eggs, that's right.
You guys should come here in August to see the turtles lay eggs and to pet turtles probably. If you're fast enough to catch them. Of course, we're gonna teach some swimming lessons. First, you start out with this if you're in the little one. And then you kind of like try to promote once you move. Move, like you move with your arms, like do this, and then you kind of hold yourself up because of the water. Because the water is great to hold up. And we're gonna show you guys like some scuba diving lessons later. But Nanny, is it okay if I go a little bit deeper?
Sure. It'll be hard to hear you, so speak up a little bit.
Okay. And this is the Caribbean Sea. Wait, this is actually fine.
With the soft sand.
Some cool water
Yep.
and a good looking sun. If the sun was alive, he'd say thanks. I think the sun's a he.
You call it fun in the sun?
But try not to open your mouth because this is
Very salty.
Pull my shoulders off.
I kind of got some in my mouth.
Okay, tell Albert.
Alright. Hey guys, don't forget to put the lime in the coconut. And also guys, please go easy on the salt. There's no lime in tequila. Guys, very important. If I don't give you guys something, please don't try to grab anything, alright? sand coral. That's what they used to use as a strainer for the coconut milk back in the days. They would take it out of the water, let it sit for about 21 days. It would get hard and dark. That's when it's already dead. And they would use it as a coconut strainer. Anybody else want to hold it? What do you guys think? Should we go a little deeper?
Yeah. That's what she said.
You guys really want to go a little bit deeper?
Yeah.
All right. Follow me.
Bella, you want to go deeper? Yeah, you like it more?
Those.
All right, let me get you guys a little bit more off to this side over here for me. Now keep in mind, guys, the name of the park is called Gumbalimba Park. It was founded in 2003, so we have 20 years. Alright guys, so we're going across the Puente Bambusa, the bamboo bridge. So you guys are going to gently take your time across the bridge, right? Now you hold on to the sides, guys, for support, alright? pairs like that, that's because they're so made for life. They don't never, if one of them was to die, they would never pair up with another bird.
You got two. Look at me, Bella.
Hello.
Face me. I can't wait to send that to your mom.
Just don't try to come.
Oh, hello.
That's your new best friend? Your new bestie? Daddy's gonna be jealous.
You're so cute.
Permitido.
But dirty.
Was that fun?
Ew.
Oh, I told you. Now you glad I told you to put a shirt on? Don't touch it.
What is it?
Monkey dirt. Hey, little fella. Oh, hello.
Just don't touch the pants. Mantener la distancia a la gente aquí. Tu
Hey,
turno.
bud. Hey, buddy.
Thank you guys. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, buddy.
No, you can't pet him.
Don't pet him.
Reach out your hand.
There he goes.
Oh my goodness.
Now I'm covered in it.
He's running away.
Check that out. That's just beautiful. You like the Timu hat?
They're actually very gentle. They're very, very gentle.
Hi, Albert. Bella.
I want a pet monkey.
In the count of 3, 1, 2, and 10. Happy birthday to you. It's you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isabella. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and remember, I love you more than Gumbo. See you next time. Bye.